morning viewers. In today's video I am showing you chiffon prints. These are the chiffon prints which I am going to show you. This is the stock in different prints, and you can see the quality. This is chiffon, 100% polyester chiffon with the prints, and this comes at 38 to 40 inch width. So it can be used for making tops, bottom, kurtis. Even you can make dupatta, or if you can make sari, then definitely it can be used in making saris also. These all prints are on black chiffon base and with prints. So this I am showing. You can see the see-through, how much see-through it is. Being a chiffon, obviously it is a see-through, and if you are making kurti and all, then you need to line it. And if you are not making kurti, then there is no need. In sari or in dupatta you can use as is. So first print which I am going to show you, yes, obviously the hand feel. It's a soft hand feel. It's not a harsh, soft fabric. Drape is good. You can see the drape, and see the drape. It's a drape of the fabric. You can see the drape of the fabric, so it's not a harsh, it's a drape. So now I'm showing you the design. So these are design I'm showing you in close-up. This is the close-up of the print. You can see this print in close-up, small triangular prints. So this is the first print, and this is the all over look of the print. You can see the all over look. So this will look like this. So this is all over look. एक बार डबल लेयर कर दूँगा इसको सही से. So now you can see clearly the look of the print in double layer. So this is the look in close-up. It will look awesome in any way. If you are cutting the garment in a grain, it look nice. If you are going off grain, then it will look nice. In off grain, it will look like this. So now I am going to the next print. In that print I will not tell you about the quality of the fabric, because I have already give you a detail about the fabric. So now next print is polka dot print. So this is the polka dot print. You can see the design. It's a polka dot. It comes in two colors. One is white, black base with white polka dots, and again this can be used in any type of item. And the another dot which comes in pink color. So it's a pink color. You can see the hand feel. It's a very soft hand feel. You can see the drape. So it's a pink polka dot. And the fourth print, it's a turquoise color, or you can say rama green print, flower print. So you can see the flowers print. So this is the flower. I am showing you the close-up. This is the close-up of the flower print. So this is the all over look of the print. This is the all over look of the print. So you can see the all over look. It will look awesome. And here is the look. And it comes in the second color in this flower is white, black base with white flowers. So you can see the look of the print. This is the print, and I am showing you the close-up. This is the close-up. So these are the two combos in this. One is this green, turquoise green, and one is this white. So all over look will look like this. So now the sixth print is this all over rose print. So these are the look of rose print on a black base. So this look like this. Either you can go in this direction or you can go in this direction. So in the both direction, this rose print will look nice. So soft hand feel, anything can make. This is the look of the print. And now the seventh print is this, which I already shown earlier, but because I am offering this collection, so I am adding again this print in my collection. So this is the seventh print, and it's a booty, all over booty in the print. and the eighth print is this. This is new print. You can see the hand feel, soft hand feel, lightweight chiffon, and look of the print is this. So you can see the all over look. So this print will look like this. All 8 prints are awesome, good looking, and you can make anything. You can make dresses even in this fabric. Dresses will look nice. Top, long dress, anything you can make in this fabric, but you have to light it. So I am again showing you. This is the first print, 8th print. This is the 7th print, and this is the 6th print. This was the 5th print. This was the 4th print, and this was the 3rd print, and another combo in this 3rd was the 2nd, and this was the 1st print. So I have showed you 8 print in this video. So in case if you like anything, let me know. I will give you more detail about this print. Thank you.